Today we are going to look at some of the most amazing usable tools. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Number 10. Rigid Press Booster. First up, we have the Rigid Press Booster, which should be used with Viga MegaPress XL fittings. Press black steel pipe up to 4 inches and make clean and flameless connections between pipes. It's much faster and can increase the power of your RP330 or RP340. It has a patented 180-degree swivel feature that gives you greater access. It has an automatic lock that keeps the actuator in place until the press is complete, so you can perform multiple tool cycles. Make a secure connection in less than 25 seconds. The Rigid Press Booster means confidence in every press. Number 9. Deflector Connector GRR Ripper. The deflector connector adds another level of safety and functionality to the grip lock and the gripper with the handle. It does 2 things: flex and connect. It quickly and easily attaches to either, using the hardware included. It can provide added protection to the table saw, acting as a barrier between your hands and the blades or bits. It also acts as a shield to prevent debris from hitting you in the face. The deflector connection allows you to connect 2 grippers for more control of larger wood pieces. It has an extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Number 8. Makita 18-volt caulk and adhesive gun. The 18-volt caulk and adhesive guns are designed to provide faster dispensing speed for increased productivity. An industry-leading 1,100 pounds of dispensing power means more efficient dispensing, even with high-viscosity materials in cold weather conditions. The caulk and adhesive guns are provided with a variable speed trigger and 5-speed dial to match the speed to the application for an even match at all viscosity levels. The drip reduction feature relieves pressure when the trigger is released to minimize unintentional dispensing. This tool is equipped with an LED light for improved visibility, as well as an overload indicator light that notifies the operator when the tool is overloaded to minimize breakage of the sealing. It will accommodate cork and adhesives in the most widely used sizes for industrial applications. Number 7. Adjustable Benchtop Roller Stand by Trend Tool. The adjustable benchtop roller stand by Trend Tool adjusts up to 160 millimeters, includes reliable support for safer cross-cutting, and perfect table alignment. It has secure takeoff support for longer material to maintain control. It prevents dangerous cutting and eliminates the sagging of long, thin materials. It's perfect for table alignment and maximum accuracy. Use in pairs to support more extended materials or as in-feed and out-feed support for safe machining of more substantial material. Number 6. Sherwin-Williams Painter's Tool Bag. The Sherwin-Williams Painter's Tool Bag has an elastic strap that safely holds any sized brush and a separate pocket for spray accessories. It includes a Velcro strap to hold extension poles and caulk guns, plus outer pockets to hold painter's tape. It has a strap and clips to hold pails, tape, keys, and other accessories. Plus, the elastic strap can even hold knives. There are various zippered pouches for miscellaneous accessories, and an outer pocket to hold water bottles, phones, and more. Number 5. Edma Power Profil. The Edma Power Profil can cramp all types of studs and tracks, even F530 studs, for sealing application. Its main strength lies in the minimal crimping effort required. Let the drill do the job for you. The Edma Power Profil can fit all types of drills and screwdrivers. You can easily crimp the studs on the ceiling thanks to its wide range of extensions. You can also crimp screws on steel bars and columns. Edma Power Profil is the most powerful tool on the market for screw pinching. Number 4. ProLine Paint Line Marking System. The ProLine Marking System is a high-class floor marking paint in spray cans that you can easily use to paint floor lines on parking lots or columns. Its paint is fast drying and can be walked on in a few minutes. Unlike other line marking systems, ProLine doesn't require any barriers, and the permanent markings it leaves are perfect for indoor and outdoor use. It's wear-resistant, chemical-resistant, and highly compact. Number 3. DeWalt DCW 604 18V XR Brushless Router. The DeWalt brushless router has variable speed in its configuration. The electronic controls can be set to a soft start, brake, and constant speed when brushing the wood. It has a fixed and plunge base for metal motor housing and an accurate micro-depth adjustment. Its maximum plunge depth is 55 millimeters, making it a fantastic tool for brushing. Number 2. GRR Ripper Advanced by Microjig. The GRR Ripper Microjig is an advanced tool with 2 additional accessories, featuring more functionality, safety, and control. It gives you 3 directions of control to prevent kickback and protect your hands from spinning blades. The powerful green grip on its adjustable legs control your workpiece on both sides of the blade, giving you clean, excellent cuts. The flexible space gives you extra control by adding a green grip to your GRR gripper. Use it on the joiner for more traction when face jointing. Next up, we have the stabilizing plate. It gives you another form of contact to better stabilize your material. It acts as a dynamic featherboard, giving your material a parallel blade without applying unnecessary pressure. It also features a hook to help small parts go through the cut. Number 1. 314 Set and Match System, Capro Tools. The 314 Set and Match System is a complete do-it-yourself workshop you can build to create your layout of marking tool. Capro's most famous creation, the 314 Set and Match, is a professional quality ruler with 2 markers that can easily measure, transfer, and mark. The 314 has clear and durable markings on the edge and angle markings on the ruler space. These 2 scales range from 1 to 30 centimeters and 1 to 60 centimeters, with a 0-point mark for easy centering. You can begin to expand the system with the 314's T-square accessory, which turns the set and match ruler into a versatile T-square with a compartment for holding screws. The T-square head locks firmly into place at the end of the ruler in one of 2 positions. A built-in ledge keeps the T-square set in place, allowing you to move the ruler in one hand and cut the mark with the other. Moving the set is comfortable with a sturdy handle that slides along the ruler's face and has an auto-lock mechanism that keeps it in place for a sure grip. The 314 also features horizontal and vertical knife slides, which move in place for safe, accurate cuts. We hope you liked these fantastic tools. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Top 5s HD so you can watch more awesome videos.